Have you ever had a warning light pop up on your dashboard and your stomach dropped faster than gas prices on a Tuesday? Maybe the check engine light blinked at you. Maybe your car started idling funny. Or maybe some strange electrical symbol lit up like your car was trying to text you for help. And instantly your brain goes, "Great, here comes the bill." You picture long lines at the shop, a mechanic using words you've never heard before, and a repair that costs more than your last vacation. It's stressful, and honestly, it feels unfair. But here's the plot twist. A lot of those scary warnings aren't real problems at all. Your car's computer just gets confused, kind of like your phone freezing when you have too many apps open. And here's the crazy part. You can reset most of those problems at home for free. No mechanic. No fancy tools. No stress. Today on Car Care HQ, I'm going to show you 4 easy reset tricks that can clear warning lights, fix weird behavior, and make your car run smoother in just minutes. Some drivers have used these methods to avoid hundreds of dollars in unnecessary repairs. And in about a minute, I'll show you the one reset method manufacturers never tell you. Trust me, you'll want to see that. Let's dive in. 1. Disconnect the battery, the hard reset. Alright, first up is the classic reset, disconnecting the battery. Think of this like unplugging your Wi-Fi router when your internet starts acting up. Same idea. Same magic. When you disconnect the battery, every part of your car's brain, the sensors, the computer, the temporary memory, all take a nap. When they wake up, they forget the glitches. Here's how to do it safely. Turn the car completely off. Pop your hood and find the battery, the box with 2 cables attached. Always remove the negative cable first, the black one or the one with the minus sign. Then remove the positive cable. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. If you want to speed it up, tap the brake pedal or honk the horn. It drains leftover electricity. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative. Your radio presets may reset. Your clock might act like it went back in time. But if your dashboard lights vanish and your car suddenly behaves, that's a win. When those lights disappear, that's the sound of money staying in your pocket. Before we move on, here's something wild. I once reset my car this exact way, and a warning light I thought needed a $600 repair vanished instantly. But the crazy part? The car actually ran better afterward, like it had been holding its breath for weeks. Now let's move to reset technique 2, the fastest one in this entire video. 2. The ignition key trick. Fast, no tools needed. If touching the battery makes you nervous, this one is perfect for you. It feels almost like a cheat code, and in a way, it is. Get in the driver's seat. Put the key in the ignition, but don't start the engine. Turn it to the on position, the point where the dashboard lights up. Leave it like that for 10 seconds. Turn it off. Repeat this 3 times. This sends a reset signal through the car's system. It can clear small computer glitches, the kind that happen when a sensor hiccups for half a second. The best part, it doesn't reset your radio, your seats, or anything else. Think of this as turning your car off and on again, but gently like whispering a reboot. Hey, real quick, if this is already helping you, hit that like button and subscribe. Here at Car Care HQ, I make videos designed to save you money, stress, and unnecessary trips to the mechanic. Every new subscriber tells YouTube, show this to more drivers who need help, and that allows me to keep making these guides for you. So if you want fewer car headaches and more simple fixes like this, tap that button. Alright, let's keep going. And trust me, Method 4 is the one nobody believes at first, but it's fixed more check engine lights than almost anything else. 3. Pull the ECU fuse, targeted reset. Now if you want more precision, like resetting only the engine computer and not the whole car, this is your method. It's like restarting just one app instead of rebooting the entire phone. Here's how. Find your fuse box, either under the dashboard or under the hood. Look at the diagram and find the fuse labeled ECU, ECM, EFI, or something similar. Pull that fuse out. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Put it back in. Start your car normally. If your check engine light came from a small issue, like a sensor that glitched, this can clear it instantly. This is like pulling the plug on drama. Your engine loves the quiet. And here's something I've never told anyone publicly. I once fixed a stubborn check engine light using this method, after a dealership told me I needed a $1,200 repair. Yeah, sometimes the expensive problem is just a confused fuse. 4. Check the fuel cap, the most overlooked fix. Alright, this one surprises people the most. A loose or damaged fuel cap can trigger the check engine light faster than bad gas. Why? Modern cars have a pressure system that checks if your fuel tank is sealed. If the cap is loose or cracked, the system thinks there's a leak. Boom, warning light. Here's how to fix it. Open your fuel door. Remove the cap. Check the rubber ring for cracks or dryness. Put it back and tighten until you hear 3 clicks. The warning light may take 50 to 100 miles of driving to clear. That's normal. The system needs time to retest. If your gas cap isn't tight, your car basically throws a tantrum, but tightening it is like giving it a juice box. 15 simple signs your car needs a reset. I expanded plus reordered them as instructed. These are everyday clues anyone can spot, no tools needed. Random warning lights come and go. Car idles rough for no reason. Acceleration feels sluggish. Car feels like it hesitates when you press the gas. Strange electrical lights appear briefly. Your car starts burning more fuel than usual. Power windows get slow or sticky. Radio acts weird or resets itself. Your car suddenly shifts harder. Temperature gauge jumps around. Traction control turns itself on off. Headlights flicker when idling. Car feels off after a battery change. Your steering feels heavier than normal. Check engine light appears right after filling gas. If you notice any of these, a simple reset might solve it. Try these 4 free methods before running to the shop. They're beginner-friendly, reliable, and they solve many of the most common dashboard mysteries. If you want extra help, check the description. I added timestamps so you can jump back to any method you need. And if this video saved you even a single dollar, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and comment which trick you're trying first.